हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल नॉलेज पिन। आज हम जून 4th वीक के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। तो फिर चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज़ द इंडियन ओलंपिक थीम सॉन्ग 2020? द ऑप्शंस आर ए लक्ष्य तेरे सामने है, बी आगे आसमान और भी है, सी तुझे मिट्टी की कसम, डी तेरे हौसले बुलंद है। आंसर इज ए लक्ष्य तेरे सामने है। मोहित चौहान हैज़ composed and sung the song. The games will open on July 23 and over 100 athletes qualified for the events. Present Kiran Rijiju is the Sports Minister of India. The main events of Olympic is wrestling, weightlifting, shooting, table tennis, sailing, hockey, boxing, कबड्डी एक्सेट्रा। टोक्यो जापान की कैपिटल है और इस साल 2020 के ओलंपिक्स टोक्यो में खेले जाएंगे। जापान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर योशिहिडे सुगा हैं और जापान की करेंसी है येन। पिछली बार 2016 में ओलंपिक्स ब्राज़ील में हुए थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज who was appointed as first vice chancellor of Delhi Sports University? The options are A Mary Kom, B Sushmita Sen, C Karnam Malleshwari, D Vinesh Phogat. The answer is C Karnam Malleshwari. कर्नम मल्लेश्वरी इंडिया की पहली महिला हैं जिन्होंने ओलंपिक में मेडल जिताया था। इन्होंने सन 2000 में सिडनी में 110 किलोग्राम और 130 किलोग्राम के इसमें अवार्ड जीता था और इनको राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न, अर्जुन अवार्ड और पद्मश्री अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु हैज़ ब्रेक द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ बैकस्ट्रोक स्विमर 100 meter world record? The options are A Regin Smith, B Leo Jing, C Kathleen Becker, D Kelly McCone. The answer is D Kelly McCone. She has made a record in 57.45 seconds and breaks the previous records of 57.57 sets by American Regin Smith in 2019. Next question is who is the Union Minister for Minority Affairs? The options are A Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, B Nitin Gadkari, C Rajnath Singh, D Smriti Irani. The answer is A Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi launched a nationwide campaign जान है तो जहान है on corona vaccination for rural and remote areas. Recently, Delhi government has launched a campaign जहां वोट वहां vaccination. Next question is which is the mobile app launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the occasion of Yoga Day? The options are A मन की बात ऐप, B डी योगा ऐप, C यम योगा ऐप, D यन योगा ऐप. The answer is C yum yoga app. The app has been developed in the collaboration between WHO and Ministry of Ayush. The Yum Yoga app is preloaded with many yoga training videos and audio practice sessions in different languages. Currently, the app is in English, Hindi, and French. The initiative is One World, One Health. WHO stands for World Health Organization. Ayush stands for Ayurveda, Yoga, and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy. The chairperson of Ayush is Shripad Nayak, and the headquarters of Ayush is in New Delhi. Next question is, who is releases the book Habba Khatun? The options are A. Suresh Raina, B. Dilip Kumar, C. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, D. Arvind Gaur. Answer is D. Arvind Gaur. Habba Khatun is also known as the Nightingale of Kashmir. Habba Khatun, written by Kajal Suri, and the other famous books is Khwabon Ki Chandni. Next question is, which sports brand company has been extended its partnership with Yuvraj Singh? The options are A. Puma, B. Nike, C. Reebok, and D. Adidas. The answer is A. Puma. Puma company founded in Germany. Puma company founded in Germany in the year 1948. The founder of Puma company is Rudolf Dassler. Next question is, recently which state government has been launched Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan? The options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Karnataka, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Haryana. The answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. The CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and the governor is Anandiben Patel, and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Next question is, when was celebrating Austic Pride Day? The options are A. June 15, B. June 20, C. June 21, D. June 18. The answer is C. June 18. Austic Pride Day was first celebrated in Brazil in the year 2005. Next question is, when was celebrating Sustainable Gastronomy Day? The options are A. June 21, B. June 18, C. June 25, D. June 16. The answer is B. June 18. To focus the attention of the world on the role that sustainable gastronomy plays in our lives. Next question is, which country has ranked first in the Global Peace Index? The options are A. New Zealand, B. Denmark, C. Iceland, D. Afghanistan. The answer is C. Iceland. Iceland achieved first rank in the Peace of Global Index 15th edition. The index announced by Institute for Economics and Peace IEP Sydney. In the Index of Peace, India is ranked 135th country. India has ranked 5th in South region. Afghanistan has lowest ranked in the index. The Prime Minister of Iceland is Katrin Jakobsdóttir, and capital of Iceland is Reykjavik, and the currency of Iceland is Iceland Corona. Next question is, PM Modi launches a crash course to train how much Corona warriors? The options are A. 10 lakh, B. 5 lakh, C. 10,000, D. 1 lakh. The answer is D. 1 lakh. The training will be carried out from 111 centers across 26 Indian states. The training will be imparted to COVID warriors in 6 customized job roles that are home care support, basic care support, advanced care support, emergency care support, sample collection support, and medical equipment support. Next question is, who among the following announces the retirement from one day international cricket? The options are A. Virat Kohli, B. AB de Villiers, C. Rashid Khan, D. Kevin O'Brien. The answer is D. Kevin O'Brien. Kevin O'Brien is all-rounder and belongs to Ireland country. The currency of Ireland is Dublin and the president of Ireland is Michael D. Higgins. Next question is, recently passes away Mufti Faisal Wahid, who first translated the Quran into which language? The options are A. Kannada, B. Tamil, C. Gojari, D. Hindi. The answer is C. Gojari. He passed in Jammu. The other famous books are Sirajul Munira, अहकाम मैयत, नमाज के मसाइल कुरान और हदीस की रोशनी में. Gojari languages mainly spoken in Indian states are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Delhi and other parts of India. Next question is, recently which Indian state launched the campaign जहाँ आउट वहाँ वैक्सीनेशन? The options are A. Haryana, B. Delhi, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Punjab. The answer is B. Delhi. CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal and the Governor of Delhi is Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal. Next question is, which country are going to made world most powerful magnet? The options are A. Pakistan, B. Turkey, C. France, D. Russia. The answer is C. France. The name of magnet is central solenoid. Magnet will be made with the help of America. The length of magnet is 18 meter and the width of magnet is 4.2 meter and the weight of magnet is 1000 ton. Go further. The president of France is Emmanuel Macron. The capital of France is Paris and the currency of France is Euro. Next question is, International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on June 21. From which year we celebrate International Yoga Day? The options are A. 2018, B. 2017, C. 2011, D. 2015. The answer is D. 2015. Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced the concept on 27 September 2014 during his speech at UN General Assembly. The resolution to adopt June 21. It is the 7th International Day. It is the 7th International Yoga Day. The theme of Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga for Wellness. Next question is, who is elected as 8th President of Iran? The options are A. Ibrahim Raisi, B. Hassan Rouhani, C. Mohsen Rejai, D. Amir Hussain. The answer is A. Ibrahim Raisi. Ibrahim Raisi are the 8th President of Iran. The first President of Iran is Abul Hussein Bani Sadr in the year 1980. The capital of Iran is Tehran. The currency of Iran is Iranian Rial and the official language of Iran is Persian. Next question is, when was celebrated International Father's Day? The options are A. June 21, B. June 20, C. June 16, D. June 17. The answer is B. June 20. Most of the countries celebrate Father's Day on June 20. Several nations including the US, UK, India, France, Turkey, Philippines and South Africa observe Father's Day on the third Sunday in June. Next question is recently Asian Development Bank has approved a $250 million loan to which country for resilience program due to COVID-19? The options are A. India, B. Pakistan, C. Bangladesh, D. Iran. The answer is C. Bangladesh. The headquarters of ADB is Philippines. The leader of ADB is Masatsugu Asakawa and ADB founded on 19th December 1966. Go further. The Prime Minister of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The currency of Bangladesh is Bangladeshi Taka. Next question is when was celebrated Goa Revolution Day? The options are A. June 20, B. June 18, C. June 15, D. June 19. The answer is B. June 18. It is the 75th Revolution Day was celebrated in Goa. The Chief Minister of Goa is Pramod Sawant and the Governor of Goa is Bhagat Singh Koshyari and the capital of Goa is Panaji and the official language of Goa is Konkani. Next question is recently passes away Milkha Singh was famously known as A. Flying Jet, B. Flying Sikh, B. C. Spider-Man, D. Flying King. The answer is B. Flying Sikh. Recently, Milkha Singh died in the age of 91 due to coronavirus disease. He had achieved the Padma Shri award. Next question is the National Reading Day is marked every year on which day? The options are A. June 19, B. June 18, C. 20 June, D. 17 June. The answer is A. 19 June. CBSE celebrated 26th National Reading Day on June 19, first time celebrated in the year 1996. The chairperson of CBSE is Manoj Ahuja and the headquarters of CBSE is in New Delhi. Next question is when was celebrating World Music Day? The options are A. June 21, B. 20 June, C. 18 June, D. 19 June. The answer is A. 21st June. World Music Day was founded by France Minister of Culture Jacques Lang and also Maurice Fleuret. Paris is famous for Eiffel Tower. UNESCO, OECD, International Chamber of Commerce, ICOMOS, that is International Council on Monuments and Sites. The headquarters of all the offices are in Paris. Recently, 5th edition of Viva Tech held in Paris. Next question is which state chief minister released a book of poems Beyond Here and Other Poems? The options are A. Delhi, B. Karnataka, C. Odisha, D. Kerala. The answer is C. Odisha. Chief Minister of Odisha is Shri Naveen Patnaik. Released the book which is written by Vishnupada Sethi. The governor of Odisha is Ganesh Lal and the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The famous temples found in Odisha is Konark Temple, Jagannath Temple, Brahmeshwar Temple, Lingaraj Temple, etc. The famous books of Vishnupada Sethi is Beyond Feelings, Census of India 2011. Next question is, which city has been topped in the list of Ease Living Index 2020 in India? The options are A. Hyderabad, B. Bangalore, C. Mumbai, D. Delhi. The answer is B. Bangalore. Bangalore has been topped in the list of Ease of Living Index 2020. The Ease of Living Index was released by Center for Science and Environment. Bangalore is also known as Silicon Valley of India. Bangalore is topped. Chennai, Shimla, Bhubaneswar and Mumbai are second, third, fourth and fifth position in the list. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Bangalore is known as Silicon Valley of India. The headquarters of ISRO in Bangalore. Lal Bagh is famous in Bangalore. Next question is, who won the 2021 French Grand Prix? The options are A. Lewis Hamilton, B. Sergio Perez, C. Max Verstappen, D. Ayrton Senna. The answer is C. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen belongs to Netherlands. Michael Schumacher has won the title of French Grand Prix 8 times. Next question is, where was discovered world third largest diamond? The answer is A. The options are A. America, B. Turkey, C. Philippines, D. Botswana. The answer is D. Botswana. The third largest diamond is 1098 carat diamond, which is found in Botswana. The first largest diamond was discovered in South Africa, that is 3106 carat in the year 1905. The second largest diamond is also in Botswana, that is Lac de la Rana, that is 1109 carat in the year 2015. The capital of Botswana is Gaborone and the president of Botswana is Mokgweetsi Masisi and the currency of Botswana is Botswana Pula. Next question is, recently passes away Kenneth Konda was first president of which country? The options are A. Zimbabwe, B. South Africa, C. Nigeria, D. Zambia. The answer is D. Zambia. He served as president of 27 years long period from 1964 to 1991. The present president of Zambia is Edgar Lungu. The capital of Zambia is Lusaka and the currency of Zambia is Zambian Kwacha. Next question is, recently India's first case of green fungus infection reported in which city? The options are A. Bangalore, B. Indore, C. Delhi, D. Nagpur. The answer is B. Indore. Indore is in Madhya Pradesh and the president of the CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the governor of Madhya Pradesh is Anandiben Patel. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Today's last question is, who is elected as Prime Minister of Armenia? The options are A. Nikol Pashinyan, B. Robert Kocharian, C. Ibrahim Raisi, D. Zuckerberg. The answer is A. Nikol Pashinyan. The capital of Armenia is Yerevan. The currency of Armenia is Armenian drum. दोस्तों आज के लिए बस इतना ही। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगती है, हेल्पफुल लगती है, तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए। तो चलिए मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। थैंक यू।